Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a contact form UX with Formstack, easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, go to the Formstack website and log in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create Form button to start a new project. Choose a blank form or select a template that suits your needs. If you opt for a template, review the available options and select one. Next, fill in the form name in the designated field. Now, let's add various fields to your contact form. Drag and drop the fields you want from the sidebar onto your form. Consider using fields like name, email, phone number, and message. Customize each field by clicking on it and adjusting the settings. Ensure that required fields are marked so users cannot skip them. After adding all necessary fields, review the layout for user-friendliness. Next, configure the form settings by clicking on the Settings tab. Here, you can set notifications for when someone submits the form. Enter the email address where you'd like to receive submissions. You can also set up autoresponders to thank users after they submit their information. Now, it's time to adjust the form's design for better user experience. Go to the Design tab to customize colors, fonts, and styles. Make sure the design is consistent with your branding for a professional look. Once satisfied with the design, preview the form to see how it appears to users. Check both desktop and mobile views for responsiveness. Finally, click on the Publish button to make your form live. You will receive a link to the form that you can share on your website or social media. Consider embedding the form directly on your site for easier access. After embedding, test the form to make sure it functions properly. Congratulations, you have successfully set up a contact form with Formstack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.